Hey there, welcome back. Today we have got something super excited to talk about. The JavaScript array flats method. Well, what is the array flats method in JavaScript? Well, it's a method that allows you flatten a nested array, which means it takes a multi-dimensional array and flattens it out into a single dimensional array. In a more simpler terms, it means it takes an array inside of an array inside of another array and turns it into a single array like this. So let's go over the example. We're going to call the flat method on nested array. So I have nested array dot flat, right? But we have to save this into a variable. So I have const result equals this, and then we're going to console the log result. Yep, let's run that. All right, you can see that I removed one array, but we still have an array inside of an array. And why is that? That is because we haven't provided a depth here to the flat method, which is the parameter to be passed, right? By default, it takes a parameter of 1. So let's pass 3 into this. Yeah, let's run that. You can see we have a single dimensional array, right? What happens now if we had 5 into this array? So we have comma 5. Let's run that. We have this. We have an array inside of the array. That's because the parameter or the depth chosen was 3. So in a case where you don't know the depth of the array you're working with, then you can use the infinity keyword as a parameter. Let's run the code and see how it flattens the array to the deepest level. So we're going to use infinity here. Let's run that. See? It turns it into a single dimensional array even without knowing the number of depths. So that is the array flat method in JavaScript. It is super useful when you're working with a complex data structure. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.